The video today is all about hair coloring and what I've used, what I use, and what I'm going to be using. Now, if you're looking for a 100% chemical-free product that only uses herbs, Lagona is the product you're looking for. It's from Germany. They use hibiscus, rhubarb, and henna. The results aren't that dramatic, but it enhances your natural hair color. I used to use Nature Tint. I believe they changed their formula. What we're going to be trying today is Herbatint. And it's got a lot of great herbal extracts in here, a lot of things that you can say. The goal is to find an animal cruelty-free product with the least amount of difficult to pronounce ingredients. And I think I found one in Herbatint. This one is Platinum Blonde. Now, since my hair is already really light, I'm not going to leave it on for the full 40 minutes that it's requiring. I was born with white hair, so I really naturally have light hair, so I don't really require a lot of product, a lot of time. So I'm not going to leave it on my hair that long. Platinum Blonde is going to be super blonde for me, if it is true. Now, this is also a different product I haven't used before. It doesn't come with a squeeze bottle. You're going to just mix your two ingredients in a bowl and then apply it to your hair with a spoon. And it also comes with, let's see, the standard conditioner, instructions, and gloves. So I don't like the gloves they supply these colors with, but I do like to save them because you never know when you're going to need a plastic glove. But I like to use these gloves, so I will be using these gloves for application. And remember, you want a white t-shirt that isn't going to be a big deal if it stains. And so what I do is I comb out my hair just to make sure all the knots are out. Makes it easier to untangle afterward. And let's see. So I'm going to just put these two ingredients into the bowl. Now it says to use just however much, wow, it's liquidy. However much you need. I'm sure I'm going to need all of it though. I guess and mix well.
It says until it turns into a gel.
Oh, until it turns into and then you mix it until it turns into a gel. So I'm stirring and stirring and stirring. Maybe Marcus can fast forward this. Okay, looks pretty jelly to me. Get this ready. Oh, and also some of the more toxic hair colorings have some sort of shampoo already in it. This one doesn't, so it's telling me I'm gonna have to shampoo my hair afterward. So I just have this paraben-free shampoo on the side. And yes, I do wash my hair in the sink all the time. I never wash my hair in the shower. I don't know why. It's just much more easier to do it like this. So that's what I do. Okay, so let's see here. I've got my comb. I'm just going to do a part on the top. I did some Nature Tint a couple weeks ago, and it actually made my hair darker. But I only did the light part. And this is my roots in the back. They're a little darker. But I normally just leave those because it's not like I wear my hair in pigtails. You know, I know you don't see those. So here we go. Wow, I've never did this before. I always used an applicator bottle. So then I'm going to comb it so I pull the hair coloring and down the hair shafts. Was that right? Hair shafts? Oh. Okay, so that's it. I'm not gonna, really don't have that much, well, maybe a little bit over here. But, so that's it. It says to leave on for 40 minutes, but again, my hair is naturally light and I only require half that amount of time. It says 30 minutes. I'm gonna do 15. I'll check back it with you guys in 15. I'm about to wash it off. You might need it on a little longer. You might need it just require a little shorter amount of time. Something to consider is everybody's chemistry is different, so results will vary. Okay, so here we go. Dump my head in the sink. I've got black under my eyes. Okay, so I have black mascara under my eyes from last night's makeup. But that is okay because I have my coconut oil here. Best makeup remover. 100% non-toxic ingredients. Okay, so let's see. Okay, you know, it's really hard to tell when the hair is wet, so I'm gonna go dry my hair naturally and I'll be right back. So the sun has dried my hair. You can clearly see that it's a lot blonder and it feels so soft, so soft. Nothing like it would if, you know, you used harsh chemicals. Let's see the back of it. You know, we are not extremists. I just try and pick the least amount of chemicals and toxicity as possible, if any at all, with everything I choose. But I like this hair coloring. I like it. I think I'm going to keep it. And it is the least amount of bad stuff. And it's got a lot of good stuff in it. I feel it. My hair really likes it. So thanks for spending your time with me again today. The link below, it's a video we did a little while ago. It showcases some of the best non-toxic hair and makeup and body product. Hope this was a little informative for you, and I look forward to seeing you next video. I have my hair and makeup on. Bye-bye. Take care.